Greetings everyone. So here is how you can reopen the Python application after you have already installed it. Now in this video, we will open this real-time voice cloning after we finished all the installations. You do not have to repeat all the process. So let's first open Anaconda prompt, open it. Now we need to activate the environment where we had installed real-time voice cloning. If you know the environment name, you can simply activate it, but if you do not remember the name, simply type conda env list. Now this will list all the environments that you have installed on your PC. So the real-time voice cloning is this voice. Let's activate it, conda activate voice. So you can see this base name has changed to voice. Now depending on the Python application, here we need to run the setup toolbox. So open this and let me copy this as we need to navigate to this folder, and now paste it here. CD and paste Ctrl+V. So basically we are inside this folder. Now we need to run demo toolbox. Let me quickly go to the GitHub site to know the exact command. So this is the command. I will copy this and paste it here and enter. So it really depends on the Python application whether it works with or without the installation files. So for some application, you may not need to go inside the folder, but you will always have to activate the environment. Anyway, the toolbox is running. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.